Hello guys, and welcome to this new Blender Grease Pencil update video. Today we will talk about a new exciting feature in the upcoming Blender 5.0, and that's motion blur for Grease Pencil. Yay! We will demonstrate the feature with this file. It's an old file of a 2D puppet that you can find on my Gumroad, and it still works perfectly in Blender 5 with Grease Pencil 3.0. It uses the Wiggle 2 add-on that is also a little bit old, but it still works with this last version of Blender. So you can get this file for a small fee from my Gumroad and get the Wiggle 2 add-on for free. Links in the description. So to enable motion blur is really a simple matter. You go here under the render panel, you scroll down and tick motion blur. I didn't touch anything here. And then you go under Grease Pencil, under render, and you get this motion blur steps. So with 0 we get 0 motion blur, and the more steps the better the motion blur and the slower the rendering. So let's do some testing. Let's try to pause this animation at some place that has a fast motion, maybe here, and then go to the rendering panel and do F12 to render this frame. So we get this. And then we'll go under render, under motion blur steps. So let's add one step and F12 to render again. And we already see some motion blur. Let's go here, put the cursor and do 1 to see at full resolution. And you can see that we have like 3 lines here. See that we have 3 eyes, 3 pupils overlapping. And the more you increase, let's do 2 this time, F12. Now we have more lines, and the more you add, the closer they get, and they like blend with each other. So on 8, I think 8 is enough, and if you do 16, it's really like more than enough in my opinion. But the more you add, the slower the render will be. So let's start with 0, no motion blur, and render this frame again. And see that we have a time of 0.23 seconds. And then with 1 step, we are up to 32. So that's not a big difference. But let's say we try with 8 samples. Now we get 54. So that's more than the double of render time. On 1 frame, of course, it's very fast. But if you have a movie that without motion blur takes, for example, 10 minutes to render, with 8 samples, it will take more than 20 minutes. Okay, so now we increase to 16. Render with F12. Now we get almost 1 second. So it's like the render time more than tripled from no motion blur, or doubled, almost doubled from 8 samples. It was 54 I think, and now it's 90. And now if we do 32, which is I think more than we need, F12 again, we get 142. So that's a very long time compared to the 0.24 or 23. Let's try again with 0. So between 1 second point 42 and 0.24 seconds. So that's almost 6 times the render time without motion blur. So this is it, guys. Now we do some testing. I have some files here with some animations with no motion blur, with a motion blur with 1 step, and motion blur with 16 steps. So we can start with this one, no motion blur. Then we do with 1 step only, and we have some motion blur. And then we try with 16 samples, we get this. And frankly, with a single frame, I can see the difference in the blurring, but in an animation I can't really see a difference between 1 sample and 16 samples. So maybe even 16 samples is excessive. 8 I think is enough. Let's try with this other animation. So again, without any motion blur. It kind of hurts my eyes like this. and then with one step. So see, it looks really smooth. And finally with 16 steps. So this is it, guys. One last thing I want to say about the Wiggle 2 add-on is that when you render one frame, it seems to work just fine. But when you render an animation, the wiggling of the bones won't work unless you bake the wiggle. So to do that, you need to do N, go to these options under animation, the options of Wiggle 2, and you do bake wiggle. You can choose to overwrite the current action, and then you can bake the wiggle, and now the rendering of your animation will include that wiggle. So this is it, guys. Again, this file is available for a small fee on Gumroad to support the free work on this channel. The download link for the free Wiggle 2 add-on is also in the description. The anti-Semitic people are still massacring the native Semitic people by the thousands in the Holy Land. The least we can do is speak up and pray. Thanks for watching. See you in another video, and as always, peace.